about the psychological impact of lockdown period and the fight back strategies. There are five major points which I will discuss today, that are, first of all, if you can see the first 5 stages of lockdown period, we need to understand what is this, and then the present and future predicted psychological problems, then the fight back strategies, and finally the best out of this lockdown period. I think so. 22nd of March, when the first Janata curfew was implied on us, and then after that on 24th we were put in complete lockdown, and we are still in lockdown period. So today my topic is this, and how does this lockdown period put a psychological impact on us. We all are sitting at home, stuck at home, and thinking about lots of things. But are we doing anything fruitful? See, many of us are doing work from home. They are managing their entire office. But apart from that, can we do anything else? So just today I will discuss about it. First of all, let's go to the 5 stages of lockdown period. We all were in the first stage of fear. Fear, we did not know what would happen. What does this lockdown mean? We were totally unaware. There was complete lockdown. It was announced nobody was supposed to go out, and some of the other thing we were engrossed. It was the stage of fear, the first stage. The second week, we moved into the second stage, that is the stage of anger. Because we couldn't do anything, we were stuck at home. So, I was talking about the stage 2, that is the stage of anger, when we were filled with anger because we couldn't do anything. Now, if I move on to this third stage, this is the stage of frustration. This happened when we were entering the third week of the lockdown period. There were so many tensions, fear, anxiety, frustration, and that created this stage. This fear is always there in our minds, but at the same time we need to understand that the first case in our country, in India, was registered on 30th January 2020, and the 5th stage, which is the positive approach. So gradually we need to understand, yes, it is a pandemic, but after all, we are human beings. We have this fighting strategy always. So let's come out from the